In this video, we will show you how to change page orientation in Canva. To change page orientation in Canva, it's very easy, but little bit tricky. How to do that? First, for example, we already created a design, or actually we have design. Let me show you using the sample. Okay. For example, you already have this design, and your boss or you think the design must be in portrait, not landscape. To change the page orientation, you can just click resize. Okay, just click here, resize button, and select custom size. You can click custom size here. After that, you need to tick this. Okay, then activate the orientation by clicking on the column or field here. For example, you click in here. You can see this is the landscape, this is the portrait. Okay, you can just click portrait, for example, if you want to change into the portrait, and click the resign this design. Okay, waiting until it's loading. Okay, voila. Now your page is changed for the orientation. You can see. Let's back to the landscape. You can just click the resize and select custom size. Click here and activate by clicking here and select the landscape and just resign this design. Okay, it's very easy. Okay, but you must redesign because your item or your layer will be changed also. Okay, that's all how you can resize the page orientation or change the page orientation in Canva by clicking resize here and select custom size and ticking here and activate the orientation and click portrait, for example, and just resize the design. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.